Hi sweeties, today I'll show you how to make this cute and clumsy cupid. Something seems to have gone wrong. Oh well, maybe next year will be better. So let's start and see how easy it is to make it. The first thing we need to do is to cut the wings with a craft knife from a template that I've taken from Google. Add lines and leave it to dry at least overnight. Now let's move on to the legs and the feet. So we will need a flesh-colored sugar paste and roll it to create the legs. Make the ankles a bit thinner than the rest of the leg and fold it in two. We can now engrave the fingers 1, 2, 3 and 4. We need to insert a toothpick inside the legs, but one leg will need to have a longer toothpick because it will hold the whole body and the head. Now that we've done the legs, we can make the body. From a bowl of fondant, we are going to make something like a rectangle, and on top of it, we are going to make the neck and insert it inside the toothpick. Create the waistline. Now we can make Cupid's dress with some light blue modeling paste. Cut a triangle from it and make the fringe using the leaf shaper tool. After having brushed the body with a bit of water, we can now put the dress on. Adjust the cute a little skirt so it will look more natural. With some brown modeling paste, we need to make a cord and we're going to use it as a belt. Now, to create the bow, we need to take a piece of wire, damp it so that the fondant won't fall off, and insert a ball of brown modeling. Then you will need to roll it while pressing it around the tips of it so it will look a bit nicer. Gently fold it and give it an arch form. We need now to add a wire like so and leave it to dry. Let's move on to the arms. We are going to create kind of sausages and place them onto the body. Now we can add a bow and an arrow that are made with 2 hearts. If the toothpick is too long, then we need to cut it off. To make the head, we are going to make a ball of flesh fondant with your pinky halfway to where the eyes are going to be. And now we can insert the head. To add the nose, we need to make a tiny ball of fondant in the middle of the face, cutting where the mouth will be. And with the ball too, we are going to draw where the eyes will be. And then we can add 2 white ovals. Afterwards, 2 light blue ovals, then 2 black ones, and finally 2 white ones. Add some black fondant around the eyes, 3 pieces of sugar paste to make the eyelashes. Finally, we need to shape the lips like so and add a little bit of white fondant for the bright teeth. Now we need to make lots and lots of yellow teardrops and glue them onto the head with edible glue. And we're going to need to cover the whole head. And this is obviously are going to be the hair. To give some natural color to the face, we're going to brush some pink petal dust, like so. Now that Cupid is nearly done, we can glue the wings on. Now, I want to show you how I'm going to decorate the cake. And what I'm going to do is to use some beautiful lace hearts. I'm going to do so with the help of the silicone mat. And to make the laces, we're going to use some special mix, which I bought from Silicone Mart. The mix seems pink at the moment, but is actually red and has a delicious raspberry smell. I'm going to use 100 grams of mix and 100 grams of water and mix everything very well together. After the mixture is ready, I'm going to spread it over the silicone mat. Take off any excess. Look how wonderful these arts are. Whoever invented these edible laces and the mix, I think it was really a genius. Don't you think? Now they need to be put in the oven for approximately 10 minutes at 100 degrees. Once they've cooled down, we can gently peel them off from the mat. To place the heart onto the cake, we need just a bit of water. Finally, I want to create an arrow. So I've inserted these lollipop sticks onto the cake. As you can see, it is easier than you ever thought, and I'm sure you will leave everyone speechless. Also, I have lots of ideas for new videos, but please let me know in the comment if you have any requests. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.